Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to enable night mode on iPhone 16e. Let's begin. It is very simple. All you have to do is simply go to settings, then you want to scroll down a little and go to display and brightness. Here, without scrolling, we can see at the bottom night shift, and it's currently disabled. Let's click it, and now we can basically manually enable it, and it will automatically disable itself tomorrow, or we can set it to schedule, so it will automatically turn on and off from certain time to time. So right now it's from 10 p.m. into 7 a.m. and what it does is basically makes the color warmer, so it will be easier on the eyes. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.